Good morning, dear students. After discussing arguments in favor, against social responsibility, meaning of social responsibility, and why business is assuming social responsibility, that is reality, why businesses actually realize this fact that social responsibility should be assumed, I am coming on to the point kinds of social responsibility. कौन सी हैं, किस टाइप की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमको पूरी करनी चाहिए. These are broadly classified into four categories. First is economic responsibility. A business enterprise is basically an economic entity. Main motive is to earn profit. Therefore, its primarily social responsibility is economic, that is producing goods and services that society want and sell them at a profit. There is a little discretion in performing this responsibility. यानी कि इसमें कोई discretion नहीं है कि अपनी मर्जी से ये तो सभी करेंगे. Economic responsibility every businessman is performing, right? Legal responsibility, every business has a responsibility to operate within the laws of the land. Like if I am doing business in India, I need to do business according to the Indian laws. Since these laws are meant for good of the society, a law abiding enterprise is a socially responsible enterprise as well. जो लॉ के उसमें आके करेगा वो he is a good businessman, he or she is a good businessman. Ethical responsibility, ethical means good behavior, ethics means what is good and what is bad. तो that is expected by the society but not codified in the law. जो सोसाइटी में हम एक्सपेक्ट तो कर रहे हैं लेकिन लॉ में नहीं लिखा हुआ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिस्पेक्टिंग द रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स, डिग्निटी ऑफ पीपल वाइल एडवर्टाइजिंग फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट. अगर कोई भी बिजनेसमैन अपने प्रोडक्ट का एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रहा है तो उसको किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन के बारे में, पर्टिकुलर पीपल के बारे में कमेंट नहीं करना है. देर इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ वॉलेंट्री एक्शन इन परफॉर्मिंग दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. कुछ तो इसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को करते हैं और कुछ नहीं करते हैं, बट इट शुड बी एज्यूम्ड. डी इज डिस्क्रिशनरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. देखो बेटा, सबसे पहले हमने कौन सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इकोनॉमिक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, लीगल, एथिकल एंड नाउ डिस्क्रिशनरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. what is discretionary responsibility? It refers to purely discretion means हम अपनी मर्जी से करते हैं. Voluntary obligation that an enterprise assumes. For example, providing charitable contributions to educational institution. अभी if you have heard about during this COVID-19, many business enterprises like Tata, Reliance, they donated a very big amount to the government, right? So this is discretionary, उनकी मर्जी है. Providing charitable contributions to educational institutions or helping the affected people during flood, earthquake. It is the responsibility of the company management to safeguard the capital investment by avoiding speculative activity. Speculation में engage नहीं होना. Speculation means सट्टा बाजारी, right? And undertaking only healthy business ventures. Unhealthy business ventures नहीं करने, सिर्फ healthy business ventures करने which give good return on investment. So there are four kind of business social responsibility. Now I am coming on to the next point, social responsibility towards different interest groups. We are responsible towards various groups. Like business, first of all, business is responsible towards the consumer, employees, owners, and general public. Once the social objective of business is recognized, it is important to know that to whom and for what business and its management are responsible. किसकी तरफ और किस लिए, right? Being a businessman, I am responsible towards my employees. I should give them fair wages, fair salaries, and good hygienic conditions for working. I am responsible towards my consumer for providing good quality product to them. कोई फ्रॉड नहीं करना उनके साथ, उनको बैड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट नहीं देना है, एडल्ट्रेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. Obviously, a business unit has to decide in which areas it should carry out social goals. Some of the specific responsibilities may be outlined as under. First is responsibility towards owners and shareholders. Shareholders जो हमारी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, owners, उनको रिटर्न दें, गुड रिटर्न. Business enterprise has the responsibility to provide a fair return to the shareholders or owners on their capital investment. उन्होंने जो हमारे बिजनेस में कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट किया है उसके ऊपर प्रॉपर डिविडेंड्स पे करें, फेयर रिटर्न पे करें, प्रॉपर डिविडेंड्स पे करें. एंड टू एंश्योर द सेफ्टी ऑफ सच इन्वेस्टमेंट, और उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट भी सेफ रहे. the corporate enterprise of a company firm of organization must also provide the shareholder with regular, accurate and full information about its working as well as scheme of future growth. Full disclosure principle, सारी इंफॉर्मेशन बता के रखनी चाहिए, कुछ भी कंसील नहीं करना चाहिए. अकाउंटेंसी से कनेक्ट कर दिया बेटा मैंने, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में आ गया. What is the responsibility towards worker? Management of an enterprise is responsible for providing opportunities to the workers for meaningful work. It should try to create the right kind of working condition so that it can win the cooperation of the workers. हम वर्कर्स का कोऑपरेशन तभी ले पाएंगे बेटा जब हम राइट काइंड ऑफ वर्किंग कंडीशन देंगे. एंटरप्राइज मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट द डेमोक्रेटिक राइट्स ऑफ द वर्कर्स टू फॉर्म यूनियंस. वर्कर मस्ट ऑल्सो बी एंश्योर्ड ऑफ अ फेयर वेज and a fair deal from the management. They should not be exploited. Responsibility towards consumer. Supply of right quality and quantity of goods and services at reasonable prices. Good quality, quantity be correct, price be reasonable. Constitute the responsibility of an enterprise towards its customer. The enterprise must take proper precaution against adulteration, poor quality, lack of desired service, and courtesy to the customer. While dealing with them, courtesy, good behavior, misleading and dishonest advertising and so on. Wrong advertisement nahi hona chahiye. They must also have the right of information about the product, the company and other matters having a bearing on purchasing decision. Last is towards government and general public. Enterprise must respect the laws of the country and regularly pay taxes and honestly. टैक्सेस भी रेगुलरली पे करे और ऑनेस्टली पे करे. टैक्स इवेजन नहीं होना चाहिए. इट मस्ट बिहेव एज अ गुड सिटीजन and act according to the well accepted values of the society. It must protect the natural environment and should avoid bad, effluent and smoky chimneys. Right? Proper installation होना चाहिए pollution control devices का. Ugly buildings, dirty working conditions नहीं होनी चाहिए. It must also develop a proper image in society through continuous interaction with various group of people. तो अब हमारे आज 2 टॉपिक्स कंप्लीट हुए बेटा. काइंड ऑफ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड social responsibility towards various interested groups. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.